Alright, hey YouTube, Mail Cat Lady here. Today, doing a little weird unboxing. I love cargo nets for my truck. Love them. I transport cardboard, recycle that stuff and everything, and don't want stuff blowing out of my bed because I'm a nice person like that. Coworker borrowed my cargo net, destroyed it, so had to buy myself a new one. Got this thing for $35.99 on Amazon. Really excited about it. As you can see, it's got adjustable carabiners on it. I'm really excited for this one because I used these ones for years. These ones, the cold and the hot, depending on the load you're carrying, they stretch, they break, really brittle, really easy to break. So I'm really excited about this one. Comes with a nice little carrying pouch. Oh, and those ones, super tangle proof. Tangle proof, that doesn't make sense. They get tangled really easy. So you got nice carabiners, this nice burnt orange. Wow, that's a heavy net. So this is what, 4x6 truck bed. I think this is what, a 6 foot, 6.5 foot bed. Alright, so what do you get? Net. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 12 carabiners. Alright, as you can see, my net is nicely and neatly installed. It is holding all of my loose, packed up cardboard ready to be recycled. Nice and tight in there. Definitely is a quality seeming net. Very thick material, heavy. Carabiners seem like they're pretty decent. But yeah, it should be good to go. Alright, thanks for watching my video. Hopefully this helped. Check the links in the description below on where to buy and which one I bought on Amazon. Thanks.